Is your girl with another video, and today, so we are going to be doing what is it called?
American, no, not American.
It's just like
American.
guess the soda. Yeah, guess the soda challenge by being blindfolded. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm super excited because I know you guys love challenges, and I know you guys like my other video that I did of the Mexican drinks. So now we're gonna do American drinks, or they're American drinks, right?
They're like whatever drinks. Yeah,
they're like whatever drinks. But anyways, yeah, we're going to be doing these other drinks, which I know all you guys have tried before. I have tried all these drinks, and we are going to find out if we know our sodas. Ooh, she's from what is it called? I was gonna say you complete my sentences, but no, you copied me. That's it.
We said it at the same time.
Yeah, she's a mocker. Just kidding, I don't know. Okay. Anyways, I'm just so excited because we haven't done a challenge in I feel like it's been forever since I've done a challenge. It's been 2 weeks.
Yeah.
The last video that I did was when we went to the snow. That was the last challenge.
Dr. Pepper Chug challenge.
That was our last challenge. Yeah, it was Dr. Pepper Chug challenge. And I kind of miss you guys because I haven't done a challenge, because I know I have different audience for challenges and have different audience for vlogs and stuff, you know. So this is your guys' time and chance to see this challenge. So I think you want to go first?
Go first, because I went first the last time.
Are you sure?
Wait, no, you went first.
Yeah, and then you start. She was a little sneaky mother. Ugh. She was literally putting 2 different sodas and trying to mess up my taste buds. These are helper. But a girl won. Well, I didn't win. She won by 1. I literally missed 1 soda, but she was being a cheater, so I had to she kind of messed me up on that one, because you were
well, you better not do that to me.
Payback.
I'll name both of them.
Payback.
I'll name both of them. If you mix them. I mean, yeah.
Okay, let's just not mix them. Just not do that, because that's not fair. Because
you can't bullshit the bullshit.
I'm just kidding. I don't know. I don't freaking know. Just ignore me, dude. Just ignore me, and let's just do it. You start, because I started first.
Okay.
So how does it say una bufanda? Tengo una bufanda roja. I have a red scarf. And the good thing we're gonna be, since we have our eyelashes and everything,
we have the glasses.
We have the glasses, so you gotta be a little smart about this. Can you do it? Do you need help or no?
I can see through it, but
you can
I'll
see through
close
it?
my eyes.
No, double it, girl, double it.
Okay.
You swear you're gonna be fucking. There's no cheating up in these challenges.
Okay.
Can you see it? No,
can you tie it for me? No, you can't see. Tie it for me.
I can see a little bit. Let's do this. Let's do this challenge. So you ready? Okay, so we have a star right here. I'm doing the pink, and she's doing the, I think the orange salmon color. So just in case you guys are oh no, they're sharing straws, COVID. No,
it's cold.
They're different. It's super cold right now, so and it's about to get dark. I've noticed that it's not getting as dark quick as before, because they usually right now it's 5:46, and it usually gets dark at 5. 4:35, and now it's 5:46, and it's about to get dark, so we gotta hurry up with this video because I want that lighting, even though the natural lighting is not as good because it's a little foggy right here. So it's okay, you know what, I'm blubbering too much. I know you guys are here for this challenge, so let me just shut up and let's get this show on the road. And we have, what is it called, we have some technical difficulties. Su bufanda se le cayó, you guys, se le cayó. So
can you do it?
I know. I was why are you trying, girl? I gotta do it.
I'm sorry, Alright. Hold up, let it send.
Okay, can we get this shit? Okay, so you're gonna start.
Oh, fucking shit. Okay,
so we have 6 sodas. Obviously, I'm not gonna do them in order, so don't think it's gonna be in order. We have some Mountain Dew, some Sprite, some Coke, some root beer, some Dr. Pepper, which is my favorite, and some Pepsi. Yeah, I'm gonna mess up your taste buds, so okay, shh. Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna start with let's just start with this one. Okay, don't smell it or nothing. You guys, before we start, there's gonna be a lot of burping. So like, yeah, we are burping girls. We are burping freaks.
I'm the burping queen.
She's actually the burping queen because like I cannot burp as loud and as good as her. Like, I'm gonna go like this because I feel like if I go like that, she's gonna see from the bottom. So I'm gonna like.
No, I'm not closing my eyes either way.
I don't know that, girl. What is it?
I don't know.
Is it hard?
Hold up, go again. Oh fuck. It's either one or the other.
No.
It's either Sprite or Mountain Dew.
Okay, one.
One more time.
Okay, lower down your fat face. Lower down your face, you fucking slut. Yeah, I'm tilting it because she looks under. One.
No, that's Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where?
It's Sprite. Oh my god. So she's losing.
It's because I don't like Sprite. If
I
you
love
guys
Sprite.
know me, I don't like Sprite.
I like Sprite.
Sprite's nasty.
You're nasty. Don't ever disrespect my Sprite, girl. Just kidding. No, I'm just kidding.
So
Okay, so she has one wrong. Already, the first one already like.
Okay, it's not my fault. I don't like it. I forgot.
You're making yourself look bad. Just kidding. Just kidding. This one's next. So, are you ready? Okay, ready?
Okay.
I'm tilting it because I don't want you to see it. I'm not done. Okay, what is all that? What is it? What is
That's my Dr. Pepper.
it? Ooh, she's right. Well, of course,
That's
this is
my
our
shit.
That's our shit. Like, we know the difference. There's no other soda that tastes just like Dr. Pepper, so
Exactly.
we know exactly what it is. You know what I'm saying? So, like, let's do this. I don't want you to smell it either, you know what I'm saying?
Do sodas have a smell? They do, huh?
Yeah, everybody has a different smell. Okay, so you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Ew. One more time?
No. That one's nasty. That's Diet Coke.
Diet Coke?
Oh, no, it's not Diet Coke. Hold up. Let me get another one.
Okay, close your eyes.
No, that's Pepsi.
Pepsi?
No, I'm like,
What is it, dude?
I don't know.
You're kind of wrong. Like, you gotta, like, just... One more time. Get a big gulp, though. Get a big gulp.
Oh, is it?
Just say it. What's your... One more time, because this is, like, your second...
I don't know. I'm like kind of off. Is it Coke?
Coke?
Yeah.
Okay, that's your final answer?
No.
How dare
it's
you.
Pepsi.
How dare you?
It's Pepsi.
So what is it?
Pepsi. I say Pepsi.
After, you're lucky I'm letting you decide because you said like 4 different ones before
I said
you made up
3,
your
by the
mind.
way.
Okay, whatever.
It's Pepsi.
Okay, this time is just gonna be like I think the second try, like the
It's
second.
Pepsi.
Okay, next time is the second because you did like 3, 4, 5, even 6 like
It's because they
tries.
all taste the same.
No, they don't. I know my sodas. Well, this guy I think I know,
It's
but I'm
because,
not like
guys, the only soda I drink, and I don't even really drink soda, only when I do challenges with her, is Dr. Pepper. Because I don't like any other soda. So it's that. Okay, go next one.
Okay, let's go.
It's like getting chilly out here.
I feel like she's acting up. Okay, next. Okay.
Okay. Ew!
What the fuck was that?
Was that your fucking finger?
I'm sorry. Just open your mouth.
No.
Oh shit! They're like getting that water. Okay, ready?
That's cake.
That's Coke?
That's
Is that
cake.
your final answer? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you one more try.
That's
Because I'm gonna be a
cake.
nice soda. I want to be a nice sister. It's
That's
Coke?
cake. If
Okay,
it's not cake,
she
I'm
got
gonna-
it right, my friends. Right. Okay, and next one is going to be this one.
Next one is going to be coffee.
Okay. Open your mouth.
Ugh. What is that?
Well, what is it?
Can I get another gulp?
Poke your fucking eye. Hey, you're trying to look. Fuck you. Look down. I'm not stupid. Look down. Look down. Look down. She's going like this just to freaking. Oh, she's a fucking cheater. I'm gonna fuck her up. I know. I'm tilting it because I feel like she's looking under.
That's
like I'm not
nasty.
dumb. If you guys are like trying to see like why am I doing that? Cause she's a cheater.
That's due. That's due.
Why you abbreviate it? Yeah, it's due. Yeah, it's due. Okay, let's do.
That's in due.
2 more.
Oh, you guys like my cup? It says my name on it. Hold up, where the fuck's my... I don't know. It says my name.
Yeah, it's really
Cute.
It's cute. Okay, ready? Open your mouth. I had a feeling she's gonna do that.
Ugh.
What?
That's some... What is it called?
I don't know. You gotta say the name.
RB. That's some root beer.
I swear to you, you're freaking weird. Okay, and we are finished. Yeah, 6 sodas.
My stomach.
So she only got. How many did you get wrong?
1.
1 wrong.
I got this one because I don't like it. Ooh.
Okay, so she got 1 out of 5. No, wait, she got 5 out of 6. And she's going strong. Okay, ready? I'm gonna blindfold myself. Tie me up. Tie me. Oh, snap. Oh. Okay, you're pulling
your
my
hair.
Oh, you did. Me
Sorry.
Me pillow. Me
Okay,
pillow.
ready? We're gonna. You're not.
This is like not tight, Riley. Let me tie it up really quick. Cause I don't want to like it to fall off in the middle of it and like I'm a cheat, you know, and you're gonna be like, I'm a cheat. I'm gonna be like, no, it's your fault. You didn't tie it up right. Okay, go. That's better.
Okay. Oh wait, what the fuck?
You better not mix.
forgot.
I swear to you. If you mix, I'm gonna get this. Hey.
Go. Open your mouth. Ew.
Mountain Dew.
Okay.
I know my Mountain Dew.
I don't like it.
I actually do like Mountain Dew. Is it true that if you drink Mountain Dew for guys, their pee-pee gets small? Like, I don't know, is that true? Like, this has been like a myth. It's like a myth. I hear it all the time. Like, oh my god, doctor, Mountain Dew, you know, your pee-pee small. This is that. Oh, she's aggressive.
Oh, hold up.
Okay. That's Pepsi. Pepsi?
Okay.
I know Pepsi right away.
Pepsi's not that cute.
Because I feel like Pepsi does not even have like
It
gas.
has,
It doesn't have gas. Okay, go.
Go. Where the fuck?
Coke.
Okay. 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 Hold up. Go, hold up.
Okay, she's cringy. Go.
Okay. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
What?
Here. Open it. Open wide.
No Sprite.
Huh?
Sprite.
Sprite.
Is it Sprite?
Yeah, it's fucking Sprite. What, JR? Okay, so we have. Okay. Open wide. This is the like.
Root.
The
Motherfucking
motherfucking RB.
RB.
Arby's, we have the best meats. You know that?
No, that's
commercial?
not how it goes. It goes Arby's. Eat
We
fresh.
have the meat.
Oh yeah, we
Yeah.
have. I was like, eat fresh. That's Subway.
Okay.
Oh my god, I mix up my commercials.
Oh, forgot to show you guys.
That's Dr. Pepper.
It's kind of spicy.
No, I'm just choking because, you know, when like soda or whatever goes into the wrong pipe, and then you cough. Like, oh, it went into the wrong pipe. And it's stuck right here. Like it's right here.
Yeah, like right there, huh?
Am I done?
Is
Or
that the
no?
last one?
I don't know. You told me.
Arby's. We have, yes, that's the rest. I mean,
okay, so how many did I get right and how many did I get wrong?
Well, you won this one because I don't like Sprite. That's my excuse.
It was Sprite.
Your makeup is on it.
It was sorry. It was which one's the one that you got wrong? It was the first one.
The
Pepsi.
No, that's
Sprite, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you mixed up it by Mountain Dew. Okay. Okay, so guess what, you guys? I am finally the winner. Okay, she's just she's just a hater, but I finally won this and she lost. So it's probably how how we did it like last video. I lost in last video, you won, then I won, you lost. Just like a win or win, is a win or lose, is a hit or win, a miss or hit. What is it called? Hit or miss? I don't know, but hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy our little burpee. I didn't really do a lot of burping, I'm sorry, but I guess that's when I'm burping freak, when I'm burping queen. But yeah, she's a burping girl. But I hope you guys, like I said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And before we leave, I want to thank you guys, everybody, from the bottom of my heart. We finally made it to 5,000 subscribers. I am so happy that we have over 5,000 subscribers, and I want to thank you guys because like without you guys, like it wouldn't happen, and I want to be here making videos for you guys, making content for you guys. So this one's for you guys. I love you guys so much for watching, and before we leave, make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell button right next to subscribe so you guys get notified every time I post a new video on YouTube. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching,
and I'll see you guys next time.
And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.